Hello everyone, this is Meera Gupta. Here in this video, I will discuss the syllabus of English score for class 11th students. In class 10th, you had read English language and literature. And now you are going to read English score prescribed by NCERT. The subject code for English score is 301. Dear students, in class 11th, you will have two books in English subject. The first one is Hornbill and the second one is Snapshot. So let us see Hornbill book first. In Hornbill books, there are 6 chapters and 5 poems. The chapters are The Portrait of a Lady. Second chapter is We Are Not Afraid to Die, If We Can All Be Together. Next one is Discovering Tut, the saga continues. Next, Landscape of the Soul. Next one is The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement Role. And the last one is the Browning version. Now, see the poem's name. The first poem is A Photograph. The next one is Laburnum Top. The next one is The Voice of the Rain. The next, Childhood. And the last poem is Father to Son. So these are the chapters you have to read in your Hornbill book. The another prescribed book is Snapshot. It is supplementary reader book published by NCERT. Now here you can see there are also 8 chapters you have to read. The first one is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Next, The Address. Next, Ranga's Marriage. Chapter 4 is Albert Einstein at School. Next one is Mother's Day. 6th chapter is The Heart of the Only World. 7th chapter, Birth. And the last one is The Tale of Melon City. So these are the chapters you have to read in your syllabus. Now let's see the question paper design. Now here you can see the paper is divided into 3 sections. The first section is reading comprehension. The second one is your creative writing skill and grammar. And the third section is your literature textbook and supplementary reading text. Now you can see which type of question will be judged in these sections. In reading comprehension, conceptual understanding, decoding, analyzing, inferring, interpreting, appreciating literary convention and vocabulary, summarizing and using appropriate formats will come in reading section. Okay, and this is for your 26 marks. The next part is creative writing skill and grammar. Now here just see which type of question will come. Conceptual understanding, application of rules, analyzing, reasoning, appropriation of style and tone, using appropriate format and fluency, inference, analysis and evolution and creativity. Such type of question will be judged in this section. The last third part is your literature textbook and supplementary reader text. Now here the question will be related to recalling, reasoning, appreciating literary convention, inference, analysis, creativity with fluency. And this is for your 30 marks. So overall your theory paper is for 80 marks. And 20 marks is remaining, and that is for ASL. ASL means assessment of listening and speaking skill. That is for your 20 marks. it means overall the marks is of 100. Okay, so this is the paper pattern. Now let's see which type of question will be asked in which section. So first reading section, that is for 18 marks, and here the first multiple choice question based on one unseen passage will become to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed. The passage may be factual, descriptive or literary. Now here 10 questions will be asked out of 11 questions. Okay, means here 11 questions will be given and you have to give 10 questions answer, and each question will carry 1 mark, total 10 marks for first passage. Now second passage is also multiple choice question based on one unseen case based factual passage with verbal visual inputs like data, charts, etc. 8 out of 9 questions to be done. Okay, means 9 questions will be given and you have to answer only 8 questions. Each question will carry 1 mark, means overall 8 marks. Okay, the combined word limit for both the passages will be 600 to 750 words. Okay, means in reading section 2 passages will be asked. The first passage will be of 10 marks and the second passage will be of 8 marks, total 18 marks. Now for grammar, there are so many questions will come and that is only for 8 marks, such as multiple choice question on gap filling. Okay, and in gap filling determiners and tenses will come. Next is your multiple choice question on reordering or transformation of sentences. Total 8 questions to be done out of 10 given question. Okay, means 10 questions will be given in grammar section and you have to give the answer of 8 questions for 8 marks. Okay. Now the next section is literature section and that is for 14 marks. Now see which type of question will be asked in literature section. Multiple choice question from an extract from poetry from Hornbill to assess comprehension and appreciation. One extract will come from Hornbill book and 2 extracts will be given. You have to choose any one and that is for 3 marks. Okay. Next multiple choice question based on 2 prose extract out of the 3 given from prose, Hornbill as well as snapshot. Okay, means here based on 2 prose extract out of 3 given from the prose, Hornbill or as well as snapshot, means either from Hornbill or from snapshot or from both book. 3 passages will be given and you have to give any 2 passages and that is for 6 marks. Now next question will be text based multiple choice question to assess comprehension, analysis and interpretation from prose and poetry both. And here 6 questions will be given and out of 6 questions you have to answer any 5 question. Each question carries 1 mark, total 5 marks. Now the first reading section, that is for 8 marks, and what will come in this comprehension? Note making and summarization based on passage of approximately 200 to 250 words. Means one passage will be related to note making. Okay, and note making will be of 5 marks. The 1 mark is for title, 1 mark is for numbering and identing, keys glossary for 1 marks, and notes for 2 marks. That is for 5 marks. Summary up to 50 words, that is for 3 marks. 1 mark for content and 1 mark for 2 marks for your expression. Okay, so it means total 8 marks will be given for note making passages. Okay, and note making is will be new for you, and you will read in class 11th. Now see the writing section. The writing section is for 16 marks, and just see which type of question will be asked in writing section. Short writing task. Short writing tasks will be asked. It is related to notice writing, that is up to 50 words. 1 out of 2 given question to be answered. Okay, means 2 question will be given and 1 question you have to do, and that is for 3 marks. And the division of marks will be: format is for 1 mark, okay, content is for 1 mark, and expression is for 1 mark. It means total 30 marks you will get for notice writing. Now next short writing question is poster writing, and that is also up to 50 words. Here same 2 question will be asked from poster writing and 1 question you have to answer, and that is also for 3 marks. Format is for 1, content is for 1, expression is for 1. Total 3 marks for your poster writing. Now see the marks division of letter writing. Letters based on verbal or visual input to be answered in 120 to 150 words, and the type of letter will be business or official letters. For making inquiries, registering complaint, asking for and giving information, placing order and sending replies, letter to the school or college authorities regarding admission, school issue, requirements and suitability of courses, etc. 1 out of 2 given question to be answered means 2 questions related to letters writing will be given, and you have to choose any one letter. Okay, and that is for 5 marks. Just see the division of marks. Format is for 1 mark, content is for 2 marks, expression is for 2 marks. Overall 5 marks. Okay. Now next, question number 5 will be writing composition based on visual verbal input in 120 to 150 words. It may be descriptive, argumentative in nature, such as speech, debate. Okay, either speech or debate will be asked in question number 5, and the theme should be contemporary topical issues. 1 out of 2 given question to be answered. Here also you will get 2 question, and that is optional, means either you will do one or the second one. The format is here, you can see the marks division, that is also for your 5 marks. Okay, the format is 1, content is for 2 and expression is for 2. It means overall marks is your 5 marks. Okay, means either debate or speech will be asked, and it is for 5 marks. Now see the literature section, 16 marks. Now which type of question will come in literature section means in your Hornbill book or snapshot book. 2 short answer type question, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry, from the book Hornbill. Okay, means in Hornbill book 2 short answer question will be asked, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry. It means out of 4 to be answered in 30 to 40 words. Questions should be interpretational responses, through criteria thinking, and that is 2 into 2 equal to 4 marks. Now next question is one short answer type question from prose snapshot to be answered in 40 to 50 words. Question should elicit intentional responses through critical thinking. Any one out of two questions to be done. These two questions will be given from snapshot, and that is short type of questions, and that is for your 2 marks. Okay, 1 into 2 equal to 2 marks. Now next one is one long answer type question from prose or poetry from Hornbill book. One long answer type question you have to attempt from poetry or prose. Okay, and to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Question 2 provide evaluative and analytical responses using incident, event, themes as reference points. Any one out of 2 questions to be done, and that is for means 1 into 5 equal to 5 marks. Next one is one long answer type of question based on one chapters from the book Snapshot. Okay, earlier it was from your Hornbill book, and it is from Snapshot book to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolations beyond the text. Question to be provide evaluative and analytical responses using incident, event, themes as reference points. Any one out of 2 questions to be done, and this is also for 5 marks. Here also you will get the choice, 2 questions will be given and you have to attempt any one. So here we have discussed about the syllabus of class 11th English book, English code book. Okay, and the chapter we will start in the next video. These all things I hope you should note down in your notebook. Okay, so let's see in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day.